Hi, I would like to present what I did for hardware abstraction. This design is pretty much the same as that I used in the previous video. You can find that in the link on the link below. You can also view the explanation of this architecture on that video. The difference is that here I use services instead of ROS topics. As far as the code is concerned, I use two hardware controller nodes as usual. So on the hardware controller A, it reads an analog input from the potentiometer, and then it sends a sensor actuator request which contains that analog input, and then it gets the response from the service, and that response contains the LED state which it used to turn on the LED or off. For the hardware controller B, it subscribes to an LED message, and then it uses the LED state to evaluate if it was set to high or not, and rotates the servo to 180 degrees or 0. It also writes that value to the LED. For the hardware observer node, it has a callback, as you can see, service callback, and in this callback it receives a request which contains the potentiometer value. It converts that request into a percentage and evaluate if the percentage is within high threshold or low threshold. So the high threshold, in recent, the high threshold is a situation where the percentage is between 90 to 100%, while the low threshold describes a situation where the percentage is below 10%. So when the percentage is greater than or equals to high threshold, it sets the LED state to high, and vice versa when it's below the low threshold. Also, the service publishes an LED message here, which contains the state of the LED. And now I will show you a little demo of how this works. So first, I need to start the program. And now the program is up and running. And now when I rotate the potentiometer, you see that the yellow LED turns on when it's greater than the max threshold, and the servo also rotates to max angle. And if I turn the other way, the red LED turns on when the percentage is lower than the low threshold. The servo also rotates to the minimum angle. As usual, I also have I also made a display on the terminal to show the current situation of the program. So when I rotate, you can see the LED status, as well as the port method and several. And also for the RQT graph, you can see each node and how they interact with each other and what topic they use. And that's all for this part. Thanks for watching.